What's up traders? Let's have a quick look at USDJPY from a monthly perspective. So from a monthly perspective, what did we notice about this monthly move to the downside? It's very clear that before we had many times support in this area and we had nice push to the upside every time that the market came to this area of support. Now what we expect is of course some sort of move to the downside because we have basically broken that support area in this area over here. So if you go down on the weekly time frame, it's pretty clear that the market had made this move to the downside. Just by looking at the price action in this area, you can see that this was our previous support here. It then was broken to the downside, and then of course it became resistance. So basically the market broke down, made a correction to the previous support over here, made resistance now, and then we had further push to the downside. So pretty simple impulse correction and impulse to the downside. Now if you look at the weekly time frame, it's pretty clear that the market had also broken this area over here, which will be the next resistance point for this pair USDJPY. And what we can expect from next week is the market to now come up and test this area. Why do we choose this area? As you can see, before the market had very nice support around here. Okay, it was then resistance here, then it was more resistance, and then support over here. So something that is broken support will then need to become resistance in order for it to get liquidity to push to the downside. So what we're expecting from a daily perspective on this pair is the market now to make a correction to this area. Once the market does make a correction to this area on the 4-hour time frame, you'll be monitoring price action in this zone over here for a great opportunity and a good risk to reward trade to take this trade to the downside. If you have a look at also making it clear for you guys, if you take your Fibonacci on that leg to the bottom, if you take your Fibonacci from this high over here to this low, you can clearly see that the market has not yet retraced to any of the Fibonacci levels. So what we would like to see is the market of course come up and retest this area before the next push to the downside. All right, so it's better to be reactive, guys. If the market does come up and break this area, then of course this trade and analysis will be invalid. But if the market comes into this area on the 4-hour time frame, we'll be monitoring price action to take this trade to the downside with a very good risk reward and a good possibility trade. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to leave a like, comment, and also hit the follow and subscribe button. And I will see you guys in the next analysis. Thank you for watching. Have a great profitable week.